Are you tired of seeing news, weather, and info widgets cluttering your Windows 11 startup screen? In this video, I'll show you how to remove these widgets completely in just a few simple steps. First, right-click on the Start menu. Then click on Settings. Click Personalization. Click on Lock Screen. Choose Picture from the Personalization Your Lock Screen. Select any picture from the list. Next, turn off the toggle that says Get fun facts, tips, tricks, and more on your lock screen. Under Lock Screen Status, you'll see Choose an app to show detailed status and Choose apps to show quick status. Set all options to None. After doing this, your lock screen will no longer have spotlight ads, tips, or app notifications. It'll just show your chosen image and time date. Now close the settings window and let's check the lock screen. To do this, sign out from the user account or lock the screen by pressing Windows key plus L. And that's it. The news, weather, and info widgets are now removed from your Windows 11 startup screen. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Windows tips and tricks.